Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mack. In this video, we're talking the Kodiak Belt from Macks Belts. It's one of the nicest belts we build here. There's a ton of time and energy that goes into building this belt. There's 14 precision machine parts, and in this particular belt, there's over 700 stitches. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this 100% American-made belt.
All right, guys, check it out. This is the Kodiak Belt from Macks Belts. So this has our double Western wave stitch pattern. It's a proprietary stitch pattern to Macks Belts. It takes a really long time to do. And this belt, particular because of the size, there's around 700 stitches in this belt. So, and the best part about that is their American thread, right? Our thread is made in North Carolina. The leather for this particular belt is made in Pennsylvania. And then the steel is made in Ohio. It's blast, poured, and cast there. Once we get it down here to Florida, we go ahead and stock up our vintage machines. This is a super thick leather. It's going to be perfect for your everyday carry needs, or if you're wearing with a set of blue jeans or a pair of pants. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce some of the vintage machines we use to build all of our hardware. This is the youngest machine in the crew. This is a 1984 automatic screw machine. This is what we build our front rail with. Check it out. At Macks Belts, the side rails for our buckles are blanked out on this 1950s Brown & Sharp automatic screw machine. Check it out. So this 1962 automatic screw machine was at one point getting sent to the scrap yard. At Macks Belts, we put it back to work, this time building screw posts for the toughest belt in the world. Check it out. So after our screws come off the Davenport, the secondary op is to slot them. We do this with a Brown & Sharp horizontal mill. This machine was made in the U.S.A. It's really old, you can't even find one pretty much. And then after we do that, we take the burr off. It's ready to go on a belt. Check it out, guys. So yeah, you got to see the old Brown & Sharp horizontal mill that slots all of our screws. You got to see the Brown & Sharp that blanks out all of our rails. You got to see the Davenport that drops our front rail. And then you got to see the Davenport that drops all of our screws. There's a couple other machines that we also use. And so this belt is U.S.A. all the way. If you fluctuate in weight, there's a ton of adjustment holes. It's got the Macks Belts logo right there. Made in America, USA right there on the top. So if you guys are looking for a great American-made company to support, then you can head to macksbelts.com. And we look forward to going to work for you. Thank you, guys.
If you guys want to support a 100% American-made company that believes in made in the USA, then head to macksbelts.com and learn about our 100% American-made belts. We use American leather, American thread, and American steel, veteran hands, and vintage machines to build high-quality products that are going to last you a lifetime. So, what are you guys waiting for? Head to macksbelts.com and put our team to work. Thanks for watching.